everybody, it's Olga of olgainthekitchen.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your family's favorite marinated baked chicken tenderloins. These are super easy, so tender, and can either be baked or grilled. Let's begin by combining half a cup mayo, half a tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon coffee rub, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. Rinse chicken under cold water and pat with paper towel to dry. Remove any extra skin or fat. Add chicken to the bowl with marinade and toss to evenly coat the chicken. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Once meat is marinated, soak the wooden skewers for 15 minutes in cold water to keep them from burning in the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread chicken tenders onto wet skewers, then transfer onto prepared baking sheet. Bake for 30 minutes or until chicken is cooked through and golden. Now, I like to garnish it with a little bit of fresh parsley on the top and then enjoy it with any homemade salad and rice. And that's how we make the perfect meal.